right, time to take a look at the Torx and E-Torx socket set. Okay, so we can see that they are labeled on the socket as well as on the case, so we can easily tell exactly what we're looking at, and we know exactly where they need to go when we are done. The Torx got a T8 to a T40, and on the female Torx got an E4 to an E24. So quite a variety, and that's actually very nice for such a small kit like this. So the T40, this is a 1/4 inch drive, so all of these male Torx are 1/4 inch drive sockets. And on the E24, that is a 1/2 inch drive. And the bumps to a 3/8 on the E16, and on the E8, that is a 1/4 inch drive. One thing I do like to see on here is that this is not rounded off on the top. Oftentimes on these Torx sockets, I'll find that they're rounded off on top, so that helps to make the insertion a little bit easier and a little bit quicker. But keeping it flat like this gives you a lot more surface area that's going to maintain contact. So yeah, these look like good sockets, so let's go ahead and see how they work. So for our first project, I got this large DKR, and I believe this is a T20? T25. T25. Oh yeah, that is so much nicer. Alright, so there we go. Now I got access to the insides of the DKR. Then for a slightly smaller project, we got this old hard drive. Looks like this is going all the way down to a T8. There we go. So now I got access to the inside of the hard drive. So a cool little set like this could definitely come in handy, especially if you're doing any kind of electronics work, because they love using Torx.